What is going on, YouTube, and welcome back to the DeFi Nerd. So today, guys, we're going to be looking at how to play Pistachio's dice, which is another mini game in the KARDIA play section. And so we're going to go ahead and do the same thing. We'll go up to the hamburger or the triple lines, we go to game, and then we go to lobby. Right, and there you have your Pistachio's dice section right here. Okay, this is a simple roll the dice and combination game, and here's your rules. So you need at least 5 to 15 stamina times 3. So what that means is if you're going to play at the 5, you need at least 15 stamina. If you're going to play at the 15, you need at least 45 stamina. Once you drop down past the 45, you won't be able to play the 15. You'll have to play the 10 and so forth. Okay, here are your odds of winning. Okay, so they do have multipliers on it, and then at the bottom you'll have your rewards. Okay, so we're just going to do about 2 or 3 games so you guys can get the whole picture of how that works with the payout. So I'm going to do a 15 row cost to play, and there you go. I did not get anything, no pairs or anything like that. And then we'll do it again. Nothing yet, so we'll keep doing it until we win. Let me see here. Nothing yet. This is somewhat of a volatile game. We'll do one more, see if we get anything good here. Alright, nothing here yet. One more, there's another 37, and one more, and that'll be the last one. Hopefully we get the 666, right? Okay, so that's how you go. That's how you go about doing it. So that's a simple game. It's not, you don't have an auto here, so you got to keep clicking over and over again. And what you end up doing is you end up accumulating your APs, which you can burn on the play to earn section for the monthly payout. All right, so I hope you found that this video was informative, and stand by for other videos as we go along with this game. Don't forget to subscribe and like, and comment down below if you have any questions. See you guys on our next video.